I'm Vince Kedlubeck. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Meow Wolf. We're an arts production company in Santa Fe, New Mexico. We really ended up honing in on this immersive experience as kind of like the core thing that we really like to do as a group. But we think about breaking the fourth wall in a lot of different ways. It's placing yourself in the set. You have the ability to go anywhere you want inside of a Meow Wolf experience. By putting that agency into the consumer, into the audience, they now become an empowered part of the story. The success of Meow Wolf has come from our first permanent exhibition, and it's called the House of Eternal Return. And it basically is like an immersive storytelling experience that's made out of maximal interactive artwork that you go inside of. We tell a story through this space. That's the context for the work that we do, but we produce the work with the intention of providing transformational experiences for people. We don't want to just put people in really cool spaces. We want them to feel like being inside of a Meow Wolf experience shifts the way that they see reality. We play in that space between the pre-understanding, the preconceived, and the unknown. So the fridge is a good example of this. So like at the House of Eternal Return, you're inside of a Victorian house and you get to the kitchen of this house. Then you get to the fridge and you open the fridge and you realize that it's not a fridge, it's actually a long, white, bright hallway. Anything's possible on the other side of this door. If the fridge is different than what they thought it could be, then the entire world could be different than what they thought it could be. That's the transformational moment, is when you put somebody in a place where they are freed from what they thought that they could be. All great art does this. All great storytelling does this. I think it allows for a lot of people's perception to just kind of open up. The world is possible. The future is unwritten. You are the author of your life.